Hi, my name is Pedro Longitud, and this is what I did for the simulation. First of all, I check all of the specifications for each station, and I modified it individually because each station has different specs. On times, I set all of the necessary times, and on failures, I put the availability and the MTTR. Then I also include the conveyor belt, and I modified it to have a length of 120 meters. Um, I decided to do it just a large belt without any shape for simplicity of the simulation. And then I also connect the stations as it was specified. Here are manual connected, and here are connected by a pick-up place robot. I also modify the pieces that we have using this table, where the 95% of the time the piece will be correct, and 5% they will be broken. These type of pieces I created and made a Boolean value depending on which status. And I also create this three different type of workers for making the process, the transportation, and repairing the failures. And I also modified the workspace in order to identify the workers in charge of the process of repairing and transportation. And this is how the simulation looks. And here at the end, the robot separates the correct pieces and the incorrect pieces. The time has completed 1 day or 24 hours. Here we can see that the generated pieces are correct and the other ones are incorrect. And here we have that at the end of the day, we got 96 correct pieces and 5 incorrect pieces, which these numbers make sense due to the percentage of incorrect pieces. We could have more pieces created if we redistribute this conveyor in S shape, because after finishing the work is returned to the pool and then they have to return again. So this time could be reduced if we change the shape of the conveyor. And finally, we also have the chart in which we can see the status of each of our stations. The green is the working time. The red is when they have a failure. Um, do they also have a setting up time before initiating the system? And we also have the waiting and the block time. Thanks.